Hi guys, so here we are going to see uh, some uh, some new feature of Classic Report. Not new feature, maybe, but some different type of templates of Classic Report, right? So I already have shown you that how to create a tabular data in Classic Report, which is nothing but I think this one. Here you can see the Classic Report, how it looks. I'm going to show you some new thing in Classic Report. Okay, so for that I'm going to create a new page first. So I'll say create page. I'll create a blank page. And I'll say classic report um, templates, right? So let's just create new report with all the default setting. I'll just give a beautiful icon to this navigation menu. Maybe this one. Yeah. Create the page. So here you can see the page got created. And if I will run this page, you will see that a classic report template blank page got created. Fine. So I'm going to create a region in this, and this is going to be customer, and this customer region is of classic report type. The table I will select from here, the customers table. So let's choose this one, save and run. We'll see how it look. So this is how we have customer ID, full name, email address. That is fine. So this is default classic report data what we are showing over here in a class in a tabular format. So that is fine. I'll show you some more thing. When you go to attributes, here under appearance, you will find that we have some predefined email template. Predefined template of the classic report. The standard, the default template is standard. If you'll change from standard to alert, just save it and run the page. You'll find that you got the alert something like this, right? So here you can see you got three tags: alert title, alert description, and alert action. So what I will do, I'll just copy this alert title, and here in the customers region what we have created, so we have created on the table. Here instead of table I will say SQL query, right? So we got the SQL query, and here I'll give those tags. So let's say full name is going to be alert title. Alert description is nothing but your email address, and alert action is customer ID. Refresh, save, save the change, and see. So this is how you got the data, and this is nothing. This is a classic report, but we just change the template, and you're getting data nicely over here. You can, I mean, just imagine this data in your particular requirement. Fine. So this we have created customer of alert type. Okay. Now what we can do is this is customer of alert type. Let's refresh this page. You can see customer of alert type. Uh, Here if you come down, you'll find that the appearance is standard. If I make appearance as let's say collapsible, let's save and run the page. You will see that you got this little menu over here. Okay, this little button. Again, if you come to this place and you will see the behavior, the default state is expanded. I'll make the default state as collapsed. Okay, save and just refresh this region. You got, so by default it will be collapsed. If you expand it, you'll get the data like this. Fine. So the first thing what we have seen as alert type. I'll show you another template, another type of template in classic report. For that, I'm not going to create the region again. I'm going to show you a new thing that when you right click on it, you will be able to duplicate the region. Just say duplicate. Okay. And this time I'm going to write this as alert one, save it and run the page. you'll see that a new region got created as alert 1. So here instead of alert, what I will do, I will select the other template option, which is badge list, right? And here also I'll change the header as badge list. Okay, just save and see how it looks. Again, you'll have to do some, settings. So let me just expand it. You're getting the badges over here, right? So this may not be a correct example, maybe. What I can do, I'll just, for the badge list, I will just give one column. So instead of giving three column names, I'll just hit enter and comment these three columns. I'll just select one column as full name, right? Validate, save, click on OK and save and run. And here you'll find that you're getting one name against each of this full name. You can change the look and feel of this badge list. Go to attribute, come over here. Instead of span horizontally, make three column grid. Okay, click on OK, save, refresh the region, and here you'll find that this is how it is coming. The name of the person is coming like this. Fine. Again, you have another option that style is circular, make it grid. Okay, save. Now we'll see how it looks. This is better. Instead of grid, we will be getting something like this. So this is nothing but the badge list. Again, you can imagine this type of data and uh, try to accumulate or accommodate it in your requirement. Okay, you can explore some of the other things. For example, the size and all those things. If I make apply theme color, how it looks and things like that. I'm just giving you an example so that you just understand, okay, these things are possible. So when you apply the color, this is how the colors are coming, right? So this is the badge list. I'm going to show you another type of region. Let me just duplicate it. Go to the attribute. From here, I'll select cards, right? Now change the name of this region as cards. Save it and run the page. Here we have this cards, and you can see the card is there, but we have to pass these values in our column name. So what I'll do, open the card thing, uh, uncomment these columns, and remove the first column. Now the card title is going to be, uh, put this as card title, right? And then card text, and then email address is going to be card subtext, right? Just validate, validation successful. Okay, save and run. Now you will see customers card. Here you are getting it. Yeah. So this is the title, this is the text, and this is subtext. This is how you can create the card with the help of a classic report, right? Now the other type of option is that, let me just copy, duplicate it, and go to attribute. Now here we have comments type. I'll explain you few. The rest of the thing I want you to explore, right? So I'll make it as comment and just save and run how it looks, right? So here this is how it will be coming, right? So what you can do now, change the region title first. This is comments, okay? And here you can see you have this comment text first, okay? So give the comment text as For example, full name is as comment text and uh, username as email address. Yeah, customer ID is there. Give this username as customer ID, user icon as customer ID, and let it be other one as it is. If you don't want to pass any value, you can pass null. For example, let me just refresh it, and here things are coming like this, which is fine. Name is coming, tag is the customer number is coming, customer name is coming, customer email address is coming. All other attributes, I don't want any value for these attributes. So what I can do, just copy all these attributes and here in the column, make it null. Okay, so attribute 1 is going to be null, then attribute 2 is going to be null, attribute 3 is going to be null, and attribute 4 is going to be null. Okay, just click on OK and save and run. So all these things got null. Similarly, you can make these also null. If you have some extra columns, then you can maybe use them. We use comment mostly for, the comment thing. If you are trying to do some, you have multiple comments and things like that, you can use these type of regions for that purpose. So that is about this thing. Let me just make them all null, and we are good for the comment thing. Okay, save and refresh. Here you have comments, right? So you have the pagination also. So this is nothing but your comments type region which you have created with the help of Classic Report. I'll show you one more. Right click, duplicate, and from here select content row. Okay, now just save and run. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, change the name of this region as content row and save and run. Here you are, and you got something like this. So you can change the these things. So title, what I'm going to do as title over here, full name is going to be the title. Then you have other thing as description. Maybe I'll give email address as description. Then you have MISC. I'll make maybe customer ID as MISC. All other things I'll make as null. So just copy this and paste it over here. And you have one more tag as selection. Fine. Just remove all other things. Okay, and save. If you have other columns, you can use them. So just do this thing and refresh the page, and you'll find that you got it, right? We have actions also, so you can use this also, right? So this is how you can create different type of region using Classic Report. Classic Report is not only about creating the data in tabular format. You can create or you can show the data in this type of format, or in this type of format with the help of Classic Report. So that's about this video. Let me know if you have any question, any concern, or any feedback. Thanks for watching. Thank you.